Thursday. Key federal programs in the fight against illegal immigration remain in jeopardy. Funding for local communities that enforce our immigration laws could be cut from the federal budget under the Obama administration. One lawmaker now is proposing a bill that would keep that money flowing. Lisa Sylvester reports from Washington.
There are only 5,600 federal immigration agents assigned to track down some 12 to 20 million illegal aliens in the United States. Because of the shortage of federal manpower, local and state police have been helping enforce immigration laws through a program known as 287G. But a proposal by the Obama administration would zero out funding in the budget for local governments to apprehend criminal aliens. Congresswoman Marsha Blackburn wants to reverse that and has proposed legislation known as the CLEAR Act.
Our local law enforcement needs access to those funds to do the job that the federal government should be doing but is not doing.
The CLEAR Act explicitly says local officers have a role enforcing immigration law. But the bill's critics worry that some will abuse the authority, leading to racial profiling. Alfredo Gutierrez is an activist for immigrants who has a daily radio show in Phoenix.
If they find them to be undocumented or suspect they are undocumented, they trump up charge after charge of, for example, honking your horn is a favorite charge in one community.
Supporters say the bill is necessary because state and local governments often bear the brunt of the cost of illegal immigration. Under the law, the Federal Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency would be required to pick up criminal aliens in state or local jails within 48 hours of being apprehended or charged, or fully reimburse the locality for holding them. Groups wanting stricter enforcement of immigration law support the act.
Right now they can say, we don't have the resources or we're too busy, let him go unless he's committed some horrific crime. Just let him go. With the CLEAR Act, they would be required to come down and pick that person up.
The CLEAR Act would also require so-called sanctuary cities like San Francisco that prohibit their officers from detaining people for being in the country illegally to remove those laws from their books or risk losing federal dollars. Lou?
Surely this has no prospect of passage in a democratically led Congress.
It is going to be a tough sell, but Marsha Blackburn is among those who is optimistic because, as you well know, Lou, the people in this country are quite fed up with illegal immigration.
Yet they keep sending these kinds of folks to Washington, D.C. It's a marvelous mystery, isn't it? Thank you.